Hello guys, we are in here with this beautiful vintage Singer 6211. Easy to work with that. This is the cable. The cable comes for the electrical part and also for the foot pedal. Just stand in the size in the same way. The curved part go in the curved part here and connect. To switch on off. Now for winding the bobbin, spool to this one, go around like that, and to the spool here, to the right, and the hand well here. There are a little wheel, and just move in that way, and start to winding the bobbin. Now when I finish to winding my bobbin, just put this in the same position. Threading the machine, remember for the center of the hole, not for these ones. Make sure I showed you in numerous videos how to do this. I need to get like a sandwich there. Now bring my two hands to this post here in the center and down. Coming to this one with my two hands, bring in front, down, between the disc and the tension, to the left and now to the right. Pass for that lash here and go up. Now the hook here and go down. Go to this one. To this other one. Close to the base of the needle here. Now for this other is in the base of the needle. That means here there are 1, 2, 3, two close each other. And now to the needle. And how my mom teach me the old style is saliva and my finger and the thread and go. It's the easy way. There are a good threaders too today, but I think this is really good. This machine is land on, but can use these new adapters, popular adapters. I can use this adapter with the presser foot, the kit, multifunctional kits. There are many. They working and need to see, you need to check in for the low chan and you can pull there. Please, when you're going to change for another presser foot here in this machine, make sure if you are in the, say, a small zigzag and checking with your right hand in the hand well and checking the needle not going to touch the whatever presser foot because can broken the needle. So checking very well first when you're going to do some experiments like that. The needle is universal needles, 130 705H. Can be is universal. Bernina, Schoen, Organ, Singer, all them, the universal ones. The bobbin we use in this machine is class 66, similar to 15, but the difference is there are a little curve in the top and in the bottom. Class 66. This is class 15 and it's not going to work. Looking, when you pull there, this get two outside. It's two outside the bobbin case. So not going to use these ones, please. It's 66. You can see the difference. No, no. This, yes. 66. Now for pull there, the right hand with the thread and the left hand with the tail. Going and drop there. Pass for the first one, down, and to the second one. If you want to clean in this area, we can do that quickly, just for see. You can take the presser foot. This you're going just to push here like that, up, up, and to the right, and you take your needle plate. Make sure you have the zigzag needle plate. Now, for take this plate, you can go towards you, never, because it's going to damage. You're going there, up, and back, and you take your plate. Now we're going to see this area. If you see this little lash here, this is the lash. This lash you can pull with your finger or with the screwdriver to the back. Better if the needle is not there. I do with the needle because I do many times that I don't need to take off, but if you had to take off the needle, it's okay. The important thing is always the needle in the high position. You can take your hand, right hand, and move the hand well towards you. Now, you see, this is the hook, this one. When I turn back, it's hiding and looking there, it's coming. Continue with the hand well. Doesn't matter if the thread is there, we can take like that, just for checking how it's bring the thread, is that. When you're going to take the bobbin case, make sure the hook is in the center between the feet dogs and the needle is up. This is the right position for take this one, just like that, and cleaning very well, checking it's not nothing broken, and you can clean in this area. Also, you can use vacuum and cleaning very well around this part. You can also move the hand well and checking. Better not thread the machine yet. And cleaning around. And now when you are ready to put again the bobbin case, you just pull up, up, and also checking the hook be in the center. Is there. This is the hook in the center, needle up, and now this is the stopper. Close to the two screws, stopper go here. This U go in front. Just drop there. Checking it, adjusting there. Don't let that go like that. It's not okay. Need to be level with all. It's there. Now push. You can check it. Good. Now for pull again, help with a screwdriver because they need to pass through this part, the two corners. Is there? Now the needle play first to the left and down. It's ready. Now we're going to put the bobbin. Now we're going to fish the bobbin. You can let close or a little open the bobbin case play, just like that. This is down the pressure foot, this is up the pressure foot, needle thread under the pressure foot, right hand in the hand well, down towards you until it's catch, and with something you can help to bring this bobbin thread. Now you can close very well. This is real simple to work. This is the leg, straight stitch, zigzags, different kind of width of zigzag, needle position to the left, you see how move, to the center and to the right. We're going to the center. This is the leg, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, and this is to reverse, just by push. I'm going to let you the owner manual, the link for you can see the owner manual. It is really easy to use this machine. Cleaning sometimes is a good idea for continue with this beautiful machine. We can start a straight stitch, say leg 2, left 3. Each time when you're going to change the stitch, please, the needle need to be up. Say I want the zigzag satin, so I go into the between 0.5 and 1. And this is working. Now, if you want to put these others adapter, you can do. You stay the one coming. This is an adapter too. If you had another pressure foot for this machine, you just know you had there and you pull. You can take this line chunk, but because it's low chunk, you can check in many of the preserved foods. This is the roll hemming. I show you in some videos how to do that. When we're going to make the roll hemming, always checking doing an straight stitch or the most small width for use that, because I don't want you get an accident with that. And you can use the needle thread is up. So you can use the others. Always please guys pay attention when you're going to change the presser foot with your right hand without put the feet, your foot and the feet in the presser foot without that, just with the hand well checking, but turn the hand well and checking is not going to hit the presser foot or the needle plate. It's really important that when you're going to do with a new presser fit for your machine. The rest is easy to work this machine. And thank you guys for all the subscriptions, for watch, for all the good messages. God bless you, and please continue, all of us, continue pray, Yahweh Almighty, Jesus Christ, the Holy Spirit, for we can see all human beings, what is right, what is wrong, and follow the Jesus Christ's path. God bless you. Bye, guys.